Hello, we are Team 133, and this is our Chemical and Materials Engineering Global Applications. And our mentor is Caleb Shaw. So we start here with our global impacts of carbon fiber. And this comes socially, as it is first used in the defensive sector, where it is involved in military equipment and gear. And it's shown here, such as equipment such as holsters, anything from holsters to body armor to even actually guns. It's used in guns to make them lighter and more resilient and less prone to jamming. This also is shown in the military, where they have planes. Planes are used with carbon fiber to make them lighter, more sleek, faster, and this also can coincide with the public sector, like transportation to the public. Things like high-speed trains, and then also some aircraft, same thing as military. And this overall is just the better material to use because it is lighter, more durable. It's just the way to go. Next, we have a similar global application, but it is with sports and batteries. So for the sports, we have things like the actual materials and equipment that they use, like golf clubs, tennis rackets, and hockey sticks. And this is just used for, the same reason it's always been used, carbon fiber, is because it's more resilient. It can be stronger, and people won't have to buy their equipment as often. And this also, off of the slideshow, we could see that this is used in sports for equipment that they wear. Things like helmets, what's it called, knee pads, stuff like that. And this is similar to what we see in the video that we watched in class a couple weeks ago. And not only that, but also lithium batteries, which is super, super important for everybody all over the world, because that's what phones are made out of. Lithium batteries are in phones, and everybody uses phones, so it's very important. We also have our local impacts of carbon fiber, which is here in the U.S., and this is mainly for the economy. So it's the focal point of production for the Washington economy, which makes it in demand. Everybody wants to use it because it's such a good material to use, as opposed to other metals that are heavier and less durable. And this demand and this need for more factories and more production has actually increased the U.S. GDP up to $5.2 billion last year, which is a lot of money. We also, last but not least, have how this impacts jobs, and not only jobs, but from here you could actually deduce that it is produces more pollution, because as we can see here, it's 14 times as energy intensive as producing steel. So this does create more jobs, but it also can create more pollution. So it's a pro and a con. And last but not least, here are our sources. The end.